Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create an event calendar in Confluence page. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to Spaces and select the space where you want to add your event calendar. Now here first, we need to go to Calendars on the left panel and then add a new one if you don't have one yet. Now just name it. You can name it however you want, and then click on the Create button. Now for this calendar, we will add an event. So click on the Add Event button on the right side. Here, select your calendar, and for the event type, you can select on Events. Now just add in a title for it. Then choose a start date and an end date. Once done on customizing, just click on the Save button. You can go ahead and add another event if you'd like. Now that you have your events, just go to the page where you want to add your calendar. And in here, just type in a slash and then type on calendar. After that, select on Theme Calendars. Now on the right panel, for the calendar, search on the one that you just created and select it. And in here, you can also change the view, the width, and the height of the calendar. And there you have it. You will now see your events for this. And that's just basically it. That's how you add an event calendar in your Confluence page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.